Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G41 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open settings. After that, you need to select security over here and tap on screen lock. Pick one of those locking methods by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with pattern and finally enter it. If you wish to correct it, you can click on clear at the bottom left corner and enter it again. Then when you're ready, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat your login method and tap on confirm. Over here you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I want to see all of them, so I will go with show all notifications content and tap on done at the bottom right corner. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!